It's important for students to develop and show their digital skills. But which skills are a priority? Find out with this top 10 list of the most valuable digital skills for students. Number 1, Microsoft Excel. Excel is still one of the main tools businesses use to organize information. Google Sheets is common too, but Excel remains the name employers recognize. In ordinary office work, someone may send over a messy spreadsheet. Your job is to clean the data, find the pattern, and prepare something others can read. For a resume, I know Excel is weak. A better line is, skilled in Microsoft Excel for organizing data and preparing brief reports. Number 2, AI prompt writing. AI is now part of office work. Job advertisements increasingly mention generative AI, ChatGPT, and Microsoft Copilot. Prompt writing means getting useful output from AI. You explain the task, give the right context, and check the response before using it. A lazy prompt gives you lazy work. A thoughtful prompt can save time and improve quality. For students, AI requires a change in mindset. Instead of hiding your AI use, learn to explain your proficiency. Employers do not just want someone who has opened ChatGPT. They want someone who can use AI without blindly trusting it. Number 3, video conferencing. Video meetings are now normal in study and office work. Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet are worth practicing before you need them. You need to join on time, share a screen when needed, and follow up after the meeting. Reliable online meeting habits are more useful than they sound. When you handle Teams or Zoom smoothly, you are easier to include in remote or hybrid work. Number 4, calendar management. A meeting can go wrong before it even starts. A missing video link or the wrong attendees can waste everyone's time. Calendar management means creating invites people can actually use. Practice with Outlook Calendar or Google Calendar. Add the meeting link, invite the right people, and include enough context for people to arrive prepared. For students, meeting coordination might start with group project work. Number 5, professional email skills. Email is still where a lot of office work happens. Gmail and Outlook are the obvious tools to practice with. AI can help draft messages, but judgment is the real advantage. A useful email has a specific purpose and gives the reader enough information to respond. You can practice professional email writing through group projects. The aim is to write messages that help people respond. Number 6, data analysis. Data analysis means turning raw information into a useful finding. A beginner example might be a student survey in Excel, Google Sheets, or Power BI. You collect responses, look for patterns, and explain what the results suggest. Maybe students liked the course content but were unhappy with feedback speed. A finding like that is more useful than a pile of responses. Employers value graduates who can look at evidence and explain what the numbers mean. You do not need to be a data scientist to show beginner data analysis ability. Number 7, cloud collaboration. Office work now happens inside shared digital workspaces. Google Workspace and Microsoft 365 are common examples. Cloud collaboration is more than uploading a file. The right people need access, and the latest document needs to be easy to find. Drafts and final versions should not get mixed together. A useful student example is managing the shared folder for a group project. You might also handle comments and version history properly. Number 8, AI-assisted writing. Writing remains a core office skill, but the process is changing. Many workers now use ChatGPT, Claude, or Microsoft Copilot to draft reports and summaries. AI-assisted writing does not mean copying the first draft a tool gives you. The useful work happens in the edit. You check the facts, remove filler, and improve the opening. The final version should sound like a person wrote it for a reason. Number 9. Presentation software. Many office tasks end with a short presentation. A manager might ask you to turn research or figures into a slide deck. PowerPoint, Google Slides, and Canva are common tools. Good slides are not decoration. They make information easier to explain. When you can turn messy notes into an enthralling presentation, you are showing a digital skill that carries into the workplace. Number 10. Digital form creation. Businesses often need information from people without creating long email chains. Google Forms and Microsoft Forms are easy tools to learn. A form can collect survey responses or internal requests. A good example of form-making skill is to create a survey for a project and export the results into a spreadsheet. Form creation can also connect with data analysis. You collect information and prepare it for review. And that's our top 10 list of valuable digital skills for students. Before you go, here is an important tip for using your tech skills to get a job. To show you have foundational digital skills, try out the software or platform mentioned alongside each skill. We have put the list in the video description for easy reference. Then, whenever you apply for a job, you can choose from a lengthy list of digital skills you have actually practiced. Highlight the skills most relevant to the line of work and describe what you can do with each one. Here's a quick test to see how many digital skills you have. Give yourself 1 point for each item where you have used at least one tool for real schoolwork or project work. Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or Microsoft Copilot, Zoom, Teams, or Google Meet, Outlook Calendar or Google Calendar, Gmail or Outlook, Google Drive, OneDrive, or Dropbox, PowerPoint, Google Slides, or Canva, Google Forms or Microsoft Forms, Power BI, Tableau, or spreadsheet charts, AI writing tools for drafting or editing. Now, add up your score. Fewer than 5 means you should practice a few more tools. 5 to 8 means you have a useful base. 9 or 10 means you already have a broad beginner skill set.